Performance appraisal, a new beginning. Management responsibilities. The job description up to date. To have the best performance appraisal process, management needs to make sure that all employees in the company's job descriptions are up to date within a timely manner. New job position. If employees change to a different position within the company, they need to familiarize themselves with their current job role. Employees should always be aware of their new position, performance expectations. Set goals. Managers every day should set goals within their employees to show they are involved and care. Positive meetings should be done at least every 3 months and discussed in ways to improve or better the way they are doing things. Dates performance appraisal process begins. Employees need to be aware what dates the performance appraisal will start so they can all participate. Set up alerts to remind employees when it has to be submitted by. Providing computer and time for employees to be able to complete their feedback. Informing employees when they will be completed and reviewed by management. Managers need to set up dates to have their one-on-one employee discussion on the results of the review and have a plan for the employees to achieve their goals. Information. Managers will let employees know what competency they're looking for in each job position. Managers will go over with employee key components in their review. Performance appraisal will be kept in record to see if there is any improvement in employees' performance. Managers that are not on site in their office will need to go to the office a minimum of twice a month to show support to their team. Employees have the right to request a copy and discuss any disagreement with their managers. Open door policy for any further concerns or issues. To be successful, employees need to be respectful when giving other employees feedback. Coach employees on how to give constructive feedback without offending anyone. Feedback given should be able to help employees' performance and help with the company goals. If after the review employees not doing great, set up with a coach to help them be successful. Employees and managers should be respectful at all times. The right program. The program must be the right one. Employees should be able to navigate through it easily. Have great customer support if the employees need help. Have techs to come out and check the program if needed. Should be able to customize by employees' preference. Enough storage to be able to continue to add employees if company keeps growing. Feedback. Provide staff with timely and meaningful feedback. Reflect what is required of the person in their job. What does the high performance look like? Set goals. Goals should be aligned to business needs. Develop. Identify a plan, learning needs. Review. Formally evaluate progress and document performance results. Reward. Recognize a job well done with financial or non-financial reward. Awards. Award employee for great work. Recognize when an employee is going above and beyond. Share customer service experience from other employees. Recognize an employee of the month and prize them for their hard work. Do potlucks with activities to keep employees engaged. Managers and leaders always remind employees of their hard work. Timeline, the steps. Choosing the right program. Inform employees that performance appraisal will begin. Inform the employees the 3 to 5 key components. Collect recognition forms or award given to an employee. Establish all employees' job description. Coach employees on what type of feedback they can give. Give start dates to employees and provide resources needed for them to get started. Go over reviews. Managers have one-on-one meeting to discuss reviews and give constructive feedback. Managers should also receive feedback on how can leaders help them be more successful. Set up coaching or training if needed. Employees that went above and beyond, give them an award to show appreciation. Choosing the right program, success, respectful teamwork, creativity, award, and bonuses.